Hey guys, Eli here with MyAirbags.com. Right now we're inside a GMC SIERRA 2016 and we're going to go ahead and remove the bezel around the radio and head unit here. We're going to go ahead and get to the climate control and remove it right out. We have a few buttons lights that are out on the climate control here, and we're going to go ahead and remove it and then get it repaired and put it back in. And the issue we have here on our climate control is this lighting behind this button here is no longer functional. If you need removal instructions for the airbag module or for the center console, we do have a video on that for the Chevy Silverado, which is a similar model, and we also have one for the GMC Terrain as well. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you have a nylon pry bar, that works best. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and put some rubber glove right around the actual pry area and then just tie it down with the rubber band. So we have this side that we popped up already, right through here, and we're just going to continue working this way and up towards here. Again, we're being very gentle and careful not to scratch anything. And this part here is the most fragile part. Since this is so thin, you're going to be very careful and apply even pressure when you go ahead and remove this piece in particular. Here we can see the tabs, the little clips that were holding it down. And as you can see here, we still have these little wires that are still connecting to it. We're going to go ahead and press in on this little piece here and pull at the same time. And then there's one over here on this side as well. Here we're going to press down on that piece there and then pull up. So you're going to want to use a 7mm socket for this, and there's 4 screws holding it down right here. There's one up here, here, and 2 at the bottom. Now behind here, there's 2 clips that are holding it down in the back. So you're going to want to grab it and apply even pressure and pull it out towards yourself. And those were the 2 clips here that were holding it down in the back. Here we have 2 more wires. First wire here, go ahead and press on that button and pull out simultaneously. This one as well here. And the 3rd one here. Now's the time to give us a big like, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos just like this. Comment. I really enjoy reading your comments. This is Eli with MyAirbags.com. Save time and money on your next project.